Hello, I'm Alex from Sembly AI, and today I'll show you how to push task meeting notes and transcriptions from Sembly to Cooper CRM. First of all, you'll need to create your account in Cooper. After that, we go to the Sembly and click to My Automations. Now we can click to Browse all apps and find Cooper here. Click to the Cooper, and now we need to connect our Cooper CRM with the Sembly. So click to connect and click to authorize. Now we will create new automation. So we can rename it. And in the sys window, in data type, we need to choose which type of data we will push. So in our case, we will use meeting notes. In the filter, I'll select the rule about apply to all meetings that I have access to and click done. Now we can click complete. After you set up your automation, all your tasks, meeting notes and transcription that were detected in the meetings will be automatically sent. But you can also do it manually, and now I'll show how to do this. We go to the My Meetings and click Meeting Notes, this meeting for example. We can click to the flash and post meeting notes to Cooper Automation. Now we go to Cooper CRM and restart our CRM. Here we have the people. When we click to the people, it's me, activity, and here we have the meeting note. With the same way, you can push also tasks and transcriptions.